Years ago, we were called crazy for predicting a world with humans tending to robots while loyal dogs cared for those humans. But guess what? The age of AI is here. Don't dismiss it again. Get ready for a mind-blowing exploration of obsolete skills and jobs. Embrace the change, reinvent yourself, and seize new opportunities. AI is revolutionizing everything, from automated factories to mind-boggling algorithms. We'll guide you through this exciting journey, bidding farewell to the past and embracing a limitless future. Get ready to expand your mind, ignite your imagination, and redefine your career path. Join us as we venture into uncharted territories, shattering the boundaries of what's possible. Number 1. Copywriting. AI is reshaping the writing world, rendering traditional skills obsolete. From big-name publications to marketing copy, AI is taking over, doing the job faster, better, and often for free. The Los Angeles Times, The Washington Post, Forbes, and The Guardian are already using AI to generate articles. Sure, there may be some mishaps like AI-generated Bigfoot facts, but that's another story. Here's the deal. Writing skills alone won't cut it anymore. A skilled supervisor overseeing AI's work is all you need. It's like having a writing powerhouse at your fingertips, churning out content like nobody's business. But hold on, there's a catch. The internet might soon be flooded with subpar content, and not everyone will strive for quality. However, it's an opportunity for mid-level copywriters to reinvent themselves and explore new horizons. Number 2. Basic customer support. Get ready to challenge the skeptics who believe nothing can replace human interaction. Brace yourself for mind-boggling AI wizardry that will leave you questioning reality. Picture chatbots that mimic human speech with astonishing accuracy, taking technology to the next level. Wake up to Siri's voice and start your day like a tech-savvy superstar. Say goodbye to frustrating encounters with support reps and hello to instant expert assistance. Get ready for a customer support revolution where AI knows everything and fixes any issue like a superhero. Bid farewell to support headaches as AI effortlessly provides lightning-fast solutions. Prepare to be amazed by the limitless expertise and seamless assistance AI brings to the table. Number 3. Lawyers and doctors. Lawyers and doctors, prepare to be amazed. AI is proving to be a game changer in the legal and medical fields. It outperforms human lawyers in providing top-notch legal guidance, and big law firms have been secretly employing AI lawyers since 2016. But that's not all. AI-powered doctors with incredible knowledge and expertise are transforming the medical realm. Imagine having a superhero doctor at your fingertips, ready to diagnose and treat with unmatched precision. AI flawlessly mimics human behavior and taps into vast amounts of data, revolutionizing these fields. Say goodbye to relying solely on humans and embrace a future where AI unleashes its full potential as a lightning-fast legal advisor and medical expert. Number 4. Programmers. Get ready for an electrifying journey into the world of programming, where AI takes the spotlight and revolutionizes website building. Imagine creating stunning websites without any coding knowledge. It's not just a dream anymore. Meet The Grid, an AI-powered website builder that designs and codes your website based on your content. Watch as your digital masterpiece unfolds effortlessly. Prepare to be amazed by AutoCode, a tool that writes code based on your instructions. Say goodbye to syntax errors and tedious coding. Just tell AutoCode what you need, and it works its magic like a digital wizard. And that's just the beginning. AI is rapidly transforming programming, automating tasks, and opening new possibilities. But fear not, programmers, your genius is still essential. AI handles the repetitive work, freeing you to unleash your creativity and conquer exciting challenges. It's a tech extravaganza where human ingenuity and AI assistance create a coding symphony like never before. Number 5. SEO. Get ready for the mind-boggling revolution in search engine optimization that will leave you buzzing with excitement. Forget the old struggles of manual tweaking and buying your way to the top. AI-powered wizardry is here to save the day. With a single click, AI analyzes your website, sprinkles its magic dust, and boosts your search rankings to new heights. No more deciphering complex strategies or sweating over keyword-stuffed content. Let the AI superhero effortlessly enhance your website's visibility and capture the attention of search engines. So, bid adieu to the SEO rulebook of old, my adventurous webmasters. It's time to embrace the thrilling AI-powered future. Say hello to more time for creativity, for crafting exceptional content that captivates your audience. Let AI handle the nitty-gritty of optimization while you focus on wowing your visitors with your digital prowess. Number 6. Marketing. Let's kick things off with audience targeting, the bread and butter of successful marketing. Say goodbye to the days of second-guessing and hello to AI precision. This wizard of technology analyzes customer behavior with lightning speed, uncovering the hidden gems of your target audience. Get ready to hit the bullseye every time as AI takes your targeting game to the next level. Brace yourself for the mind-boggling concept of AI-generated content. Imagine having a content powerhouse at your fingertips, capable of conjuring up captivating social media posts, catchy descriptions, and eye-catching visuals faster than you can say marketing genius. With a vast database of knowledge and research, AI becomes your very own content magician, sprinkling your campaigns with enchanting words and visuals that leave your audience craving for more. And that's not all. Get ready for the ultimate fusion of SEO expertise and customer behavior analysis, AI-powered ads. Picture this, ads that not only reach your target audience with laser precision, but also strike a chord deep within their hearts. It's like having an army of marketing experts tirelessly crafting the perfect ad. Except this army wears the badge of AI ingenuity. Number 7. Accounting. Get ready to dive headfirst into the dazzling world of AI-powered accounting software, where mundane tasks become a thing of the past and your financial journey transforms into an electrifying adventure. Picture this, an army of virtual accountants working tirelessly 24/7 to generate invoices, track expenses, and even tackle those dreaded tax preparations. With the power of AI, these once laborious tasks are transformed into a symphony of efficiency, all at your fingertips. Say goodbye to sleepless nights spent buried in spreadsheets, and hello to a digital assistant that flawlessly handles the nitty-gritty details while you focus on the bigger picture. But fear not. While the mundane tasks are automated, your expertise and guidance will forever be invaluable. It's a harmonious collaboration between human brilliance and AI wizardry, where you get to leverage technology to conquer new frontiers in the financial world. Number 8. Basic graphic design. Brace yourself for the rise of AI artistry, where machines have mastered the art of drawing. Now, here's the real kicker. Your favorite local coffee shop no longer needs to rely on human designers to create eye-catching logos. Nope, all they have to do is provide a simple description of their business and a captivating story, and let AI work its magic. In a blink of an eye, a dazzling logo is born. It's like having a design genie at your service, available 24/7. Can you imagine the possibilities? Humanity has never faced something this mind-boggling before. The design world is on the cusp of an exhilarating transformation, and we're on the edge of our seats, waiting to see how it all unfolds. Will AI unleash a wave of unimaginable creativity, or will it reshape the very essence of design as we know it? Only time will tell. One thing, however, is crystal clear. The days of basic design work being dominated by humans are swiftly fading away. AI is snatching up these tasks faster than you can say Adobe Photoshop. Number 9. Music production. Welcome to the thrilling realm of music production, where human creativity clashes with AI's musical prowess in an epic showdown. Can AI create breathtaking compositions, or is it just an imposter stealing from the masters? Let's dive into this captivating debate. Imagine AI composing a film score in the style of Hans Zimmer. Can it capture his essence without being accused of pilfering his genius? It's a valid concern. But hold on tight, we're venturing into uncharted musical territory. Picture AI fed with a feast of chart-topping hits throughout history, creating mesmerizing chord progressions and lyrics that resonate with the masses. Whose work is it stealing now? It draws inspiration from the collective heartbeat of humanity itself. How do we prove this musical heist? Number 10. Teaching. Picture this. With a few clever prompts, AI becomes your very own knowledge genie, granting you instant access to highly specialized information. It's like having a virtual superbrain that can turn you into a subject matter expert in the blink of an eye. And let me tell you, there's an awesome platform called app that's chock full of curated knowledge nuggets designed to fuel your brain power in just a few minutes each day. It's like leveling up your intellect on steroids. AI's teaching prowess doesn't stop there. It may not replicate the personal touch of a human teacher, but when it comes to rapidly absorbing specific topics, AI is a turbocharged learning machine. Imagine mastering complex skills like website creation without any prior coding know-how. AI becomes your guru, not only dishing out the code, but also guiding you through its practical applications. Talk about unlocking your creative potential. As we wrap up today's video, we hope you've enjoyed exploring the captivating world of AI with us. It's transforming industries across the board, from writing to customer support, marketing to programming. The age of AI is revolutionizing how we work and live. To stay in the loop and unlock the boundless possibilities it offers, subscribe to our channel. Join us on this exhilarating journey into the future, where innovation and creativity merge with cutting-edge technology.